everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. We're going to upgrade our Hanevear Freewheel. When you get it in the higher gears, you get some ghost pedaling, and so I want to do away with that ghost pedaling. So we're going to put a different freewheel on, an 11 by 28. And so we're going from a 14 by 28 to 11 by 28. So slow my legs down just a little bit. And so we'll see how this goes. Well, I never had this one upside down, so let's see how this goes. Got a piece of carpet on the ground here. Hold the right hand brake and just pull back. Kind of concerned about that fender. This one has a metal fender on it, so I don't know if I can run it like I do on my other one. So my Philodo, I just roll it back on the rear fender, but these are metal, I don't want to bend them. With the Philodo, it's plastic, so it doesn't matter. And take a look at the plug there and how that's all routed. Make sure we put it back the same way. What you got here, I got the wrench on there, got this adjustable wrench. And just like that. These are so much easier to take off when your bike is new, because otherwise your bike making it tighter as you ride. So yeah, there's what that looks like. So let's get the other one. And here's the new one. And it should fit right on there, just like so. All right, and you don't really have to tighten this up very hard, because like I said, as you ride, it's going to be tightening as you go. So we're just going to do that. Tight like that. And you do need a special socket to get in there. I'll leave a link for that down below. And I'll leave a link for this. But then we'll put the two washers back on. And then I have these all stacked the right direction. And the knob here goes toward the B, like I said. I should make it be on the same spot as the other side. And then the washer goes on, and this. We'll be good. Now, get that back on there. It'd be so much easier if you had a bike rack, but I'll get one of these days. So as you see, getting the wheel off and stuff takes more time than actually changing the freewheel. Okay. Save yourself a little bit of headache. Put the gear in the highest gear so it's in the smallest sprocket in the back. And take the nuts all the way out on the tire. It was hitting up against something and I couldn't find where. But now I got her on there. And I'm gonna make sure that these things, there's a little notch there on both sides. They gotta both be in the same orientation so they'll fit in the slot here. So make sure that happens. And other than that, it's just a matter of tightening things back up now. Let's go ahead and spin the tire a little bit. Make sure everything's gonna be all right. Well, I can't spin it too much because of my crank here. I think that'll work. Let's go ahead and plug it back in. This has a better plug than other ones I've seen. It goes on further. Less chance of it coming out. Got this big old package of zip ties and boy, I've used them a lot. See how long that is? I won't have to cut off as much, but look at that, I even got some smaller ones down here. A whole bunch of them. Got 4, 6, 8, 12, 100 each of all of them, so I'll leave a link for that down below. Well, let's get this on here. And here's where it goes. That fits in there like that. And then this just zip ties in that position. Can't do it with one-handed. I got it started here, now I can do it. Just pull that down there. There you go. And then I'll tighten it up a little bit and cut it off. And then I'll cut it off. All right, now I'll just have to tighten these up. The bolts on both sides. It's probably about a 15-minute job. I got a video of me putting one on in 15 minutes from start to finish on my Philodo. That's because I did it the weekend before, and then I changed it to a different one. I had an 8-speed here that I just popped on there because I wanted to see that lower gear, how it would be on there. And it was just right, so I ordered one. Got that all tightened up, put the caps back on there. And normally I would oil the chain while it's upside down, but since I don't have it in a very good position here, I'm gonna skip that. And we're gonna roll it back around and we're gonna test drive it and see what it's like. Seat back on. Get all the way down because I'm a short person. And I think I'm ready to go try it out. It looks like the Freewheel matches the chain now. Oh boy, that makes a world of difference. I can actually stay in the pedals now. Yeah. Got back and yeah, it's a lot better. I can actually stay in the pedals all the way up the highest speed it can go. So yeah, that's great. I'll do some more testing this afternoon and I'll take you along. Well, I'm out here trying it out. It's really nice. It's a real comfortable pace now. Before I had to ride like a maniac to try to keep up to it. This is just right now. I was thinking maybe I'd have to change the crank set too, but no, this is just right. That's an easy fix. The 30 bucks. Yeah. I want you to notice that new max speed there, 38.1. Yeah, that's 38.1, but I won't lie to you. It was going down a hill and there's a curb at the bottom, so I didn't do much pedaling, but I could stay in the pedals if I wanted to. It makes all the world of difference. You got it. Yeah, and the suspension seat really does too. I love it. This is great. Yeah, I'm gonna see if it changes anything on this hill. About the same, maybe a little faster. If you need some nice gloves for winter riding, these are it right here, boy. These are nice, really nice. My other hand's really cold from holding the phone, but this one is almost sweating. So yeah, so if you need a good set of gloves, I'll leave a link from down below in case you're interested. They're really nice. Just past 100 miles. Yee-hee! 100 miles. 100 miles. Probably 2 or 3 feet deep in the middle there, so not going through there. There's how far we went, 23.1. All-wheel drive most of the way. My max speed was 38. And my average is 24.4. And my total miles is 108. Well, my beard's going crazy, but oh, that was a nice ride. And man, this Freewheel really makes a difference. On the way back, I come down a hill and I was able to pedal 37.8, I think it was, or 37.1. No, 37.8, and I was able to stay in the pedals the whole time. So yeah, that's what you need if you want to get rid of your ghost pedaling. I thought maybe I'd have to put a crank on here too, but no. On the 20 inch, I think they have a bigger front crank on it anyway. So that's all I needed. So yeah. And of course my seat combination. This is a very nice seat combination here. It really adds a lot with the rear suspension. I can feel the bike going up and down underneath me, but I'm not being jarred around hardly at all. So that is really neat. So all now I got to do is figure out the thing for the back, and we can get an extra battery on there. So stay tuned. I'll be doing that real soon. Yep, this is an awesome bike. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alrighty, well, thanks for riding along with me today. Goodbye, good luck, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.